Welcome to Notebook 1669 YouTube channel. Today's topic is Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing. A surge in the quarterly profit, right, on the back of demand for the artificial intelligence hardware should help TSM stock price, to go higher. And we are seeing TSM earning coming in at a pretty good record. So we're actually looking at TSM to make a nice move up as the demand for the so because the Q4 profit actually raised 57% actually to a record. So so in this video I'll be presenting the top 3 stock, right, picked for a machine learning model. I will be sharing the technical analysis on Taiwan Semiconductor TSM using the 12 and the 26 exponential moving average EMA. We'll also be looking at the daily and the weekly chart and then see what opportunities, right, actually does TSM give us, or how we should be trading TSM.
Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your support to this channel. Do leave us a comment in the section below, and we will welcome all comment to make the channel better. Thank you all for your support, and hope to hear from you.
Hi, please support my referral. You may sign up using the referral link at the description. If you want to know more stock of market insight, right, here are my handles name in these two active online stockbroker. I'm actually online and posting articles on Tiger Broker with the handle Notebook 1669, as well as in Mumu with the handle Notebook 1669 as well. Thank you for your support. Here are the US stock watch list for 16 January 2025. Bank of America, right, has a buy signal with support and resistance coming in at $46.89 and $47.30 respectively. Netflix has a buy signal of support at $835.43 and resistance at $850.96. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing TSM has a buy signal with support at $201.43 and resistance at $207.71. Now we'll be moving on to TSM manufacturing, which has gained 2.66% on Wednesday rally after a favorable inflation CPI data. And we has also seen the TSM earnings it came in positive, and then now the TSM actually had gained more than 1% in trading. So we know that the TSM bulls, right, have been trying to create a daily uptrend expansion since the Monday 13th of January, where it was actually below the 12 EMA period. But then I think they did succeed on Tuesday, but then with not much conviction. So actually we can see that the bull, right, are still defending the area which is between the 12 and the 26 EMA, as TSM came close to the 26 EMA with the day low on Tuesday 14th of January. Okay, so but then we are seeing that TSM is getting help on a Wednesday rally, which helped him to trade away from the defensive zone on the daily chart. So now I think we should be able to see TSM with the TSM earnings report coming out, and this should help them to actually move it higher towards the new high. Hopefully it can hit the previous high of 220 as times go by. So now I think we will have to look at how it actually doing on the higher time frame on the weekly. So if we move to the higher time frame like the weekly, right, we can see that TSM is pretty much trading sideways and then safely above the 12 EMA, and then we need to see more action actually from the bull to attempt the trend expansion. I think this is possible as TSM earnings has been coming in positive. So if we were to if TSM were to continue this way, right, we will be able to see, if we go back to the daily time frame, right, we would be able to see TSM, right, hitting the 210 and 211 level before it continue to make a move, right, towards the 220 level. So I think we will have to see how the market react to the TSM earning report, as the RSI show that it's still investor is still playing a wait and see attitude, as it's still in the safe zone. So hopefully we can see more overbought coming, which means that there is a stronger buy demand for TSM.
Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your support to this channel. Do leave us a comment in the section below, and we will welcome all comment to make the channel better. Thank you all for your support, and hope to hear from you. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. The result does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Okay, please do your own due diligence when you're doing the investment.